good night?
Hello!
Yeah, there he is! Hello, good night!
How convenient. Enter omniscient monkey right on cue.
Well, you know what they say. When the student is ready, the teacher appears.
That's it. No more fortune cookies for you.
Look! He sees us! He's waving! Come on! Let's wave back! Wave to the good night! Don't worry, good night. We're here to rescue you. But we can't rescue him yet! Remember? Annie's right. The bad knight took the tower key and threw it away. How are we going to find it? Look! The good knight is trying to tell us something. He's telling us to listen so we can find the tower key. Remember, the tower key song sounds like this.